In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on Kucoin. This process is crucial for unlocking the full range of functionalities on the Kucoin platform, ensuring that your trading experience is not only smooth, but also secure. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you need to head over to the Kucoin platform. Open up your web browser and type in the URL for Kucoin. Landing on their homepage, you'll be greeted with a sleek interface showcasing various cryptocurrency exchanges. From here, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an easy reset option you can use. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, it's essential to navigate back to the Kucoin homepage if you're not already there. This provides a central hub from which you can access various sections of the site with ease. Now, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, locate and click on Profile. This will take you to your account settings. Within these settings, you'll find an option labeled Identity Verification. It's crucial to select this because identity verification is a mandatory step for many functions on Kucoin. By verifying your identity, you comply with regulations and enhance both your account's security and its transaction capabilities. After clicking on Identity Verification, you'll be presented with options for the type of verification you'd like to proceed with. Here, choose Individual Verification. This process is tailored for personal accounts and requires you to provide specific documents as proof of identity. During this step, you'll likely be asked to upload a government-issued ID. Ensure that your document is valid and clear so that the details are easily readable. Access to better exchange rates, higher withdrawal limits, and increased account security are just a few benefits following successful verification. If, at any point, you encounter difficulties or have questions, Kucoin's customer service is readily available to assist. Those are all the steps you need to follow to verify your identity on Kucoin. I hope this guide has made the process easy to understand and execute. By completing the verification, you're not only fully unlocking your account's potential, but also contributing to a safer cryptocurrency trading environment. Stay safe and enjoy your trading journey on Kucoin.